You know that moment, right? You plug in your trusty USB drive, only to find it empty. Or maybe an accidental format, or a quick unplug during a transfer, and poof, all your files are gone? That sinking feeling is real. You might think your precious photos, documents, or projects are gone forever. But what if I told you that in most cases, you can recover lost or deleted data from your USB stick? Today, we're going to show you exactly how to recover deleted files from your USB drive, even if it's been formatted. Before we dive into these essential USB data recovery techniques, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button below, along with the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. Data loss from USB drives can happen for several common reasons. Accidental file deletion, accidental formatting USB, or unsafe ejection or corruption of USB. If you've just realized you've lost data, stop using that USB drive immediately. Don't save new files to it. Don't format it again. Don't even browse it unnecessarily. Why? Because every new action risks overwriting your deleted files, making them much harder, if not impossible, to recover. Got it? Good. Now, just follow these upcoming methods carefully without skipping any part of the video, just to not causing any other issues. Method 1. The first thing that should come to mind about USB drive recovery is using the Restore Previous Version feature. So connect your USB flash drive to your computer and then press the Windows and keys to open the Windows File Explorer. Select your USB drives, right-click it, and choose Properties. Go to the Previous Versions tab, which will show you any available recovery options. If nothing is displayed here, it means you haven't opened this feature. Try the next method. Method 2. Recover data using CMD. The best thing about the CMD method is that you don't need to download any third-party software for this method to work, but this method is not the most effective yet. You should definitely try it. First of all, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Open the Start menu and type in CMD. Right-click on it and click on Run as administrator. After CMD is opened, type chucks followed by the letter assigned to your USB drive. Then /F and hit Enter. Next, type the following command and hit the Enter key. Now, just wait for the process to complete. If this method was successful, you should see all your deleted files in a newly created folder on your USB drive. If it still doesn't work, I'd recommend the third method. Method 3. Recover formatted/deleted data with Tenorshare 4DD. 4DDig is the best data recovery software that is available on the market right now. It supports both Windows and Mac and can recover data from both internal and external devices, including Cs, USBs, SD cards, external hard drives, digital cameras, etc. Besides, it supports many different scenarios for data recovery, including accidentally deleted, system crash, formatted, lost, corrupted, and so on. So, download 4DDig from the official website or check the video description to get direct download links. After installation, plug in your USB flash drive and run 4DDig. Next, select your drive and click on Scan. Select the file types that you want to recover. But if you ask me, I'd suggest you scan all file types. Now 4DDig will scan your USB drive for your lost data. This process takes a bit of time, so I'd suggest you enjoy some good music while you wait. Alright, now select the folders or files that you want to recover and choose Recover. After that, select the location where you want to paste your recovered data, and finally click on Recover. Well done! Your data comes back. Method 4. Restore data by file history. Open this PC and select your USB drive. Click on the Home tab and click on History. Unfortunately, this feature will only work if you enable it before data loss. I haven't enabled it before, so you can't see any information. If you want this file history enabled for your USB drive, click on Configure File History Settings and click on the Turn On button. From now on, history is enabled for your USB drive. So that's today's tutorial on how to recover deleted files on a USB drive. Please let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these methods. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips. Catch you more.